Which medal has Sumit Anthil won in Paralympics 2024? Answer: Gold medal. Which state has passed the Aparajita Women and Children Bill? Answer: West Bengal. How many gold medals has Dhanush Shrikant won in the World Deaf Shooting Championship? Answer: 3 gold medals. Which has become the first Indian company to achieve annual revenue of over 10 lakh rupees crore? Answer: Reliance Industries Limited. Rahul Dravid has been appointed as the head coach of which IPL franchise? Answer: Rajasthan Royals. Who has authored the book Journey from Black Gold to White? Answer: Kuldeep Gupta. Which country has launched a new scheme to boost tourism from India? Answer: South Africa. Who has been declared as the FICCI Youth Icon? Answer: Ayushmann Khurrana and Neeraj Chopra. Which state has introduced the tradition of zero hour in its legislative assembly? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Which medal has Sachin Sergey Rao won at Paris Paralympics 2024? Answer: Silver medals. Guinness Semicon Private Limited will set up its semiconductor plant at which place? Answer: Sonand, Gujarat. Varuna naval exercise is being held between India and which country? Answer: France. Where will the first Combined Commanders Conference 2024 be held? Answer: Lucknow. Who has become the chairman of Indian Oil? Answer: V. Satish Kumar. World Test Championship 2025 will be held in which country? Answer: England. Where is the India Bioenergy and Tech Expo 2024 held? Answer: New Delhi. Which medal has Yogesh Kathunia won at Paris Paralympics 2024? Answer: Silver medal. How many people have been awarded the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2024? Answer: 5. In which sport has Nitesh Kumar won the gold medal at the Paris Paralympics 2024? Answer: Badminton. Amrit Lal Meena has become the Chief Secretary of which state? Answer: Bihar. Which country has recorded the highest temperature ever? Answer: Syria. National Nutrition Month 2024 has been started from which state? Answer: Gujarat. Which state will host the Hockey Women's Asian Champions Trophy 2024? Answer: Bihar. Rubina Francis at Paris Paralympics 2024 which medal has she won? Answer: Bronze medal. At which airport has the India's largest aero lounge been launched? Answer: Cochin Airport. Uttar Pradesh government will develop an industrial city in between which two cities? Answer: Jhansi and Kanpur. Which project has been launched by the Indian Army to help ex-servicemen and their families? Answer: Project Naman. What is the name of India's first pollution control vessel launched? Answer: Samudra Pratap. Who has recently become the Vice Chief of Air Staff? Answer: Tejinder Singh. Who has unveiled the new flag and insignia for the Supreme Court? Answer: Draupadi Murmu. In which sport has Dharambir Singh won the gold medal at the Paris Paralympics 2024? Answer: Club throw. Where will the Vedic 3D museum be built by the Uttar Pradesh government? Answer: Varanasi. Who has become the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel solo? Answer: Siddharth Agrawal. President Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated the Vishwashanti Buddha Vihar in which state? Answer: Maharashtra. Where has the Virus War exercise been organized recently? Answer: Ajmer. How many teachers across the country have been honored with the National Teachers Awards 2024? Answer: 82 teachers. Which Indian has recently been elected to the World Agriculture Forum Board? Answer: Suresh Prabhu. Manish Kumar Gupta has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Which state government has announced 33% reservation for women in police force? Answer: Rajasthan. How many medals has India won in Paris Paralympics 2024? Answer: 29 medals. Who has become the new Finance Secretary of India? Answer: Tuhin Kant Pandey. DRDO has successfully test-fired which missile from APJ Abdul Kalam Island in Chandipur, Odisha? Answer: Agni 4. Who has become the first footballer in the world to score 900 goals? Answer: Cristiano Ronaldo. IIT Delhi has opened its first international campus in which country? Answer: UAE. Who has become the new member of the New Development Bank? Answer: Algeria. Which city has secured the first position in the Category 1 in the Clean Air Survey 2024? Answer: Surat. Which country has become the world's largest plastic polluter? Answer: India. Who has become the first Indian to become the president of Asian Olympic Council? Answer: Randhir Singh. Arun Goyal has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? Answer: Croatia. Moeen Ali has retired from international cricket. He used to play cricket for which country? Answer: England.